In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Lloyds Bank Online Banking 2025 full step by step. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Lloyds Bank Online Banking login page. For safety, type the address into the address bar yourself or use a trusted bookmark if you've saved it before. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar and make sure the web address begins with HTTPS to confirm you're on the genuine site. Avoid logging in through links from unsolicited emails or messages. Once you're on the login page, you're ready to begin. You'll first be asked for your user ID and your password. Your user ID is the unique identifier you set up when you registered for online banking. Type both carefully, paying attention to upper and lower case characters and any numbers or symbols. If you're on a shared or public computer, don't allow the browser to save your login details. And consider using a private browsing window. If you copy and paste your password, double check you haven't accidentally included an extra space. If something doesn't work, try retyping slowly and verify that caps lock isn't on. Once that's accepted, you'll see a prompt for your memorable information. This is a security phrase or detail you chose during registration. The page will ask for specific characters from that memorable information, such as the second, fifth, or last character. Enter only the exact characters requested, in the order shown. Take your time counting through your phrase so you don't mix up positions. If you're unsure of your memorable information or you've forgotten it, look for the bank's on-screen help or secure recovery options rather than guessing repeatedly. To complete your login, follow any remaining prompts on the screen. You may be asked whether you want to trust this device. Choose this only on your own personal device that you use regularly, and that's protected with a passcode or biometric lock. If it isn't your device or you're not certain, select not to trust it so you'll be asked to verify again in the future for added security. Give the page a moment to process. Sometimes there's a brief delay while security checks run. After that, you should land on your online banking overview, where you can view account balances and manage your money. If at any point you see unexpected warnings or the page doesn't look right, close the browser and try again from the official site. Keeping your browser up to date and using a secure internet connection will also help ensure a smooth, safe login experience. That's it. Simple, secure, and quick once you know the flow.